400,000 years ago, this forest wasn't silent. In what is now Suffolk, England, early humans kept returning to the same place. Not a cave, not a riverbank, but deep inside a closed woodland. We know this because in 2006, archaeologist John Gowlett and an international research team uncovered something rare at a site called Beech's Pit. Not scattered ash, not burned debris carried by chance, but real hearths. The ground itself was burned, bones were charred and calcined white, flint cracked from heat reaching 600 to 800 degrees Celsius. That kind of fire doesn't come from wildfires. Even more telling, some stone flakes were burned, while others, refitted to the same tool, were untouched, meaning the fire stayed exactly where it was built. Flint tools were shaped beside the flames, again and again. Dating from the burned flint places, these fires at around 414,000 years old. Even as the climate cooled, even as the forest changed, humans stayed. This wasn't a temporary stop. It may have been one of the earliest home bases in Northern Europe. Fire didn't make us human, but here, it helped us remain. If you want more truths buried beneath deep time, subscribe.